In this video, I'm going to show you how to host your website for free. So if you bought a domain or you have a free domain and you want to host your website for free, I'm going to show you where you can do that. As you can see, I'm on this website called ProFreeHost, and ProFreeHost offers free hosting worldwide and it's pretty fast. So it's for free, so you can go ahead and create an account for completely free, then enter your email address and password, and then you can log in. So I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. And as you can see, when it's done, you can see the dashboard over here, and as you can see, I don't have any account yet. So what you can do, you can create a new account over here, and as you can see here, this is where you can launch your new website. So here you can add your domain, so you can use the free domain that ProFreeHost offers, or you can go ahead and use a custom domain and change the name servers to that. So that's what you can do. So I'm going to choose free domain. So I'm going to do test how to 22, just something simple. And as you can see, it's available. Now you can hit add, and now I can verify myself and then go to the next step. So here you can see it, testhowto22.unags.com. So you can go ahead and hit manage, and from here you can go to the control panel and install WordPress on it. So you can hit control panel, and this will bring you over to the ProFreeHost control panel, and it's going to redirect you to it cPanel. Now you can hit I approve, and now the page is loading. So now you can go all the way down and go to Softaculous apps install. This will bring you to the script install of the host, and here you can install what you want to do with it. So I'm going to install WordPress, then hit install, and now enter in your password and name. So I'm going to select how to 22, just something like that. And then you can hit install, and now WordPress is going to install. And this may take a few minutes, but I'll get back to you when it's done. As you can see, right now it's done. So yeah, this is basically how you can set up WordPress on this website and to host your websites for free. So yeah, I can't really tell you some more things because you can just log into the WordPress version of the website and then start customizing. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.